Alright, just got some new results from a client. $119,482 deleted. 7 out of 9 accounts deleted. First round Transunion. Got a medical bill deleted for $93. Got a personal loan deleted for $7,270. 3 medical bills, one for $93, $175, and $86 removed. Got a mortgage from 1996 removed. That mortgage was $76,765. Then got another mortgage that was back in 2011. Got that removed for $35,000. And you total all of that up, that's $119,482 total deleted. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna show you a couple individual accounts. So, just to let you know that I'm not exaggerating the numbers or anything like that. So let's take this personal loan. I'm gonna do the 3 biggest ones. Let's take the personal loan. This personal loan was from City Financial. Okay, and that's for $7,270. Now let's go to the report. I actually marked out all of the personal information, so of course you're not going to see any personal information, but I want to match the account so I can just show you the amount. You see, City Financial, $7,270. All right, delete it. Okay, now I have this $76,765 mortgage removed from First Horizon. Let's take a look at that. There we go. First Horizon mortgage. It was an FHA loan. Opened in '99. $76,765 deleted. All right. Okay, let's do this last one, which is Oswin Loan Servicing. This was a mortgage too back in 2011. It's no longer on file for $35,000. All right, let's take a look at that on the credit report. You see, Oswin Loan Servicing. This was the second mortgage. $35,000 deleted. So there you have it. 7 out of 9 accounts deleted for a total of $119,482. We do offer a free credit consultation, no cost to you. We'll pull your credit report, see what's on there, take a look at it, and see what we can do to help you. All you have to do is give us a call at 1-800-972-8207, or you can visit us on our website at www.firstchoicecreditrepairservices.com, or if you're on Facebook, go to Facebook. Go to the search bar, type in First Choice Credit Repair Services, and you can see our customer testimonials, reviews, and results. And you can see the video, more like video proof, just like this, of us getting accounts deleted. So if you have any questions, just feel free to contact us. And we do what we do best, and that's fix your credit.